How to add featured channel on YouTube. So let's get started. So to add a featured channel on your YouTube, just head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply click on this view your channel button over here and just tap on this customize channel from your channel. And once you click on that, you shall land on this page over here and just tap on this home tab and enable this home tab because you will be requiring this to add a section. And just tap on this add section and simply scroll down and click on this featured channel option. So here you need to provide your title just like this, let's say my channels, and just enter the name of the channel which you want to add. It could be your channel, or you can also highlight other or feature other YouTubers channel over here and simply click on done and publish just like that. And just like that, your featured channels will be available or featured on your channel when a user views it on your channel. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.